Protolab, where innovation meets precision. Protolab stands as a trusted partner in the manufacturing of HMI input devices, printed electronics, printed graphics, and autodials, due to its commitment to quality, precision, and innovation. Utilizing state-of-the-art technology and advanced manufacturing processes, we employ advanced emulsion coating and expose machines in our screen printing process to ensure exceptional quality. These machines apply a precise layer of emulsion onto the screens and accurately transfer designs, creating detailed and high-quality stencils. Our fully automatic and semi-automatic flatbed printing machines enable us to specialize in screen printing, ensuring high-quality, durable graphics for various applications. Our state-of-the-art dispensing and fully automatic pick-and-place machines ensure precise placement and secure bonding of SMD LEDs, enhancing the efficiency and reliability of our electronic assemblies. Our advanced profiling capabilities guarantee precise and accurate cutouts according to customer specifications. This ensures perfect alignment and fitment, enhancing the overall assembly. Please visit us and stay connected for more details.